Hi guys, welcome back to my video. As you can see, now we're not on a motorbike, we are in a car. This is my car. So the purpose of today's video will be to share with you some of my experiences of owning this car for 5 years. Yeah, I've owned it since 2015, so this is gonna be, it's entering its 6th year. Yeah, so I'll tell you the repairs, what went wrong with this car, what's good about this car, and so stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome back to my video. I hope the angle and the sound is okay because I'm recording on my phone. I didn't really plan to make a video today. Today's video will be talking about this car, BMW F30 320i model. I bought this brand new, so since 2015, and I'd just like to share with you some of my experiences of owning this car. What went wrong with it, repairs that have been done, perhaps some modifications. So we are on our way to one of my trusted independent workshop in Jakarta. I'll have the name up here, so check them out if you want your, I think they specialize in European cars, and they do a very good job so far, so I'm pleased with them. I'm happy to recommend them. So today I'm actually going to the workshop to repair one of the door trim. So BMW, I think the F generation series, has this rubbery finishing on their internal door trim, where over time, I think the lifetime is about 5 years, they start to disintegrate and becomes sticky. Well, it doesn't really affect the function, but you know, aesthetically, your hand, it sometimes gets black and sticky. So I'm gonna repair this, as this car is actually very rarely used. It's done only about 29,000 kilometers over 5 years. The only issue is with the driver's side door trim. The passenger and the rear are all still good. This also happens with my F10 5 Series. I think that one was an older car, 2012. So that one has disintegrated, I think, about a year or two ago. So yeah, right about 5-year mark. I think it's a common problem, and actually, if you can see, these buttons, this has a rubber coverings as well. And as I live here in a tropical country, sometimes when you park in the sun during the day, it gets, I don't know, melted. Is that what you call it? Because it gets sticky if it gets hot in the car. And it's the same with the door trim. So I think it's something that BMW should, maybe in the next car. Actually, they have a next car. They have a new car, the G20 model. I hope they fix that issue. Okay, and modifications. I think some of the modification I've done is, okay, here it is. I've done a Golftronic exhaust. Okay guys, so we're here. This is the place. It's called WERKSTATT, and I'll have the address down in the description below. Okay, so guys, this is what I was talking, the problem. So this door trim, this is the problem. So on the driver's side, there is this rubbery finishing on the internal of the door trim. This is how it looks like. So you can't really see it from inside, but you can. This is the part where you touch to close the door. So this has worn down or melted, and we're gonna replace this today. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the replacement part. This is the internal. So you can see this is brand new, and it costs only about $50 to replace this. So get it done. And this is actually replaced by not a rubbery, so it's a plastic now. We'll see. Okay, so we'll install this. Okay guys, so the first step is to remove this outside, the plastic cover. So you have to use this special tool so that you don't scratch the inside. Okay. Okay, so after you remove the external door trim, the next step is to unscrew the bolt here and here. Pian. Pada kiri, goyang kiri. Ya. So you have to remove the whole door trim. One cable here, sensor. This clip. Couple cables there. Okay, and you use a screwdriver on this switch to unclip one of the cables above. Yeah. There we go. Remove switch window. Okay, so to remove this window switch module. Yeah. Next you have to remove, I think, the door, the rubber sealing for the window. Okay. Hope they don't break that. Guys, make sure you don't lose this metal tabs. You put it back. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so with that, all that removed, now you have to remove this bit, and you one holes there, and now you have to knock it through this hole here. Knock it loose. Okay, so we got this off part number, and this is the replacement part. So just now it was something like this, a grommet. Now you replace this with a stainless steel here and here. Okay, with the handle on, the replacement on, now you gotta rewire the whole thing. So just do it in reverse. Just 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Go. It's installed. Now it's nice and smooth. Okay. Don't forget to screw back 1 and 2. Okay, so don't remember guys, on the old one there is 1, 2, 3, and 4 clips, 5. So you gotta remove this and install it onto the new one.
Punya microfiber nggak?
Okay guys, so I have done the repair. So well done now. It's all smooth, just like brand new. Okay guys, jadi kalau mau kesini bisa cari Cecep atau bisa cari Mas Presti. Di nanti nomornya ada di bawah sini ya.
Iya, siap.
Thank you.
Oke.